Have you ever wondered just how long Vivid Money has been brightening up your financial life? Let's dive into a brief history to uncover the answer. Vivid Money, with its sleek interface and innovative features, has quickly become a popular choice for many. But how long has this digital banking revolution been underway? To fully appreciate its journey, we need to rewind a bit. The early days. While the exact origins might be a bit hazy, it's clear that Vivid Money emerged as a response to the growing demand for modern, user-friendly financial solutions. The idea was to provide a seamless banking experience that catered to the needs of the digital age. The launch and initial growth. The official launch of Vivid Money marked a significant milestone. It introduced a fresh perspective on personal finance, emphasizing simplicity, transparency, and control. Early adopters were drawn to its unique features like cashback rewards, earning rewards on everyday purchases, currency exchange, hassle-free international transactions, investment opportunities, a gateway to diverse investment options. The rise to prominence. As word spread about Vivid Money's benefits, its user base began to grow exponentially. The platform's intuitive design, coupled with its commitment to customer satisfaction, solidified its position in the market. Expanding horizons. Vivid Money didn't stop at its initial offerings. Over time, it introduced a range of new features and partnerships, further enhancing its appeal. Some notable developments include cryptocurrency integration, enabling users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. Sustainable banking options, supporting eco-friendly initiatives through specific card options. Community features, fostering a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. The present and future. Today, Vivid Money stands as a testament to the power of innovation and user-centered design. It continues to evolve, adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. As we look ahead, it's exciting to imagine the new possibilities that Vivid Money holds. While the exact timeline of Vivid Money's journey might vary slightly, its impact on the financial industry is undeniable. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a leading digital banking platform, Vivid Money has come a long way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.